Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to permanently delete photos on iPhone. So step 1, open the Photos app. As you see, those are the photos I have on my iPhone. Now to permanently delete, for example, this mouse photo, simply click on select, then select the photo or the photos that you want to permanently delete. In my case, I will only delete this mouse photo. Click on this trash icon from here. Click on delete photos. Now it is deleted from my library, but it is not permanently deleted. To permanently delete it, click on collections from here. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here below utilities, click on recently deleted. Click on view album. Fill in your password to authenticate. And now you will see your recently deleted photos. And this is the photo I've just deleted. To permanently delete it, click again on select. Select the photo that you want to permanently delete and click on those three dots and select delete. This will permanently delete the selected photo. This action can't be undone. Click on delete from this iPhone. And this is how to permanently delete photos on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.